How you doing? David Marks here with Operation Barbecue Relief, and I am cooking up some dessert on the grill with Blue Rhino. Blue Rhino takes care of all of our fuel needs and disasters. We could not do it without them. Operation Barbecue Relief is fueled by Blue Rhino. Today we are making s'mores in a waffle cone. All right, so we're going to take some aluminum foil, a waffle cone, chocolate chips, and marshmallows. First thing we're going to do is going to take that foil, and we're going to take that waffle cone. I'm going to hold that in my hand. We're going to take one marshmallow, and we're going to drop that down right into that, down at the bottom. From there, we're going to throw in a few not marshmallows. We're going to throw in a few chocolate chips, and then from there, we're just going to layer. Each time, we're going to add more and more. So I got 4 or 5 marshmallows there. And we're going to add some more chocolate chips. Making some nice layers. Some more marshmallows. Some more chocolate chips. And then we're going to top it off with a couple more marshmallows. From there, we're going to take that top corner that I have kind of set up. We're going to fold that top corner in and the sides. We're going to fold it over. We're going to roll it. I'm going to fold up the bottom. And then we're just going to keep on coming around on top. So I have a couple of these already, a few more of these already made. So now we've got our cones ready to go on the grill. The first thing I have over here is I have the grill on high on one side. I have it down on medium low in the middle, and I'm actually going to turn it off now, and the far side is off. So I actually have a hot zone and a cool zone. Really important. We're going to cook on the cool zone here. I also took a ring of tin foil and I just folded it up on the sides and kind of made a U kind of V shape to them. From there, I'm going to be able to stick these cones inside, have them stand up straight, and we're just going to sit them in here for a few minutes. Alright, so they've been in here for about a minute or so. I'm just going to turn this a little bit so we can rotate the heat and not when any one of them gets too hot and not hot enough. We're going to keep on letting them cook. Probably going to take about 3 more minutes. They're going to be ooey gooey and amazing. I can't wait. Alright, so they've been in here about 5 minutes. They've been running about 350 degrees. We're going to take a look and see what they look like. It's definitely hot. The tin foil really dissipates the heat pretty quickly. But let's take a look. We definitely got some ooey gooey going on. I'm going to open them up. And we're going to stick them back in to get some caramelization. Alright, so they've been on here with the tops off now for about 4 or 5 minutes. Let's take a peek and see what they look like. Alright, perfect. We got some nice little caramelization starting. We're going to take them out and get them ready to eat. This looks like it's going to be awesome.